How to make a copy using your Canon TR7120. You can use the automatic document feeder as a scanner or the basic scanner glass. Let me show you how to input paper in both of these and then how to go through the small display over here and create a copy. So if you want to use the basic scanner, you're going to take your paper and you're going to put it facing down. So this is my text document. Put it facing down with the top part of your document towards the right side. And then you're going to align the document with the top left corner. So it means that both corners needs to be touching. Close the lid. If you want to use the top document feeder, in that case, take your stack of paper, open the flap, adjust these paper guides. If you're going to scan some US letter size, push them towards the extremities. And then all you have to do is to input the paper with the face of the page facing up and with the top part of your page towards the left side and glide them inside that way. For this video, I won't use the top document feeder. I will use the scanner glass. So I will simply put it like that. Then if you go on the control panel there, you're going to have multiple options. Let me simply press the home button so we see the same thing. Select copy. It's the first option, so simply press OK. And now you have to decide how many copies you want. Using the up and down arrow, you can adjust the number of copies, the big number there. I'll select 1. And from here, if you want to simply do a quick copy, you can click on the color button, this one, the green one, if you want a color copy, or the black button if you want a black and white copy. And it will be done. It will work. If you want more options, you need to go into the menu. Press OK. And now you can decide, for example, the paper type that you're printing on. If you click on Other, you can decide if you want to make a copy one-sided, if you want to enlarge the copy, the kind of quality you want. I mean, there's many different options that most people will never go through them, because simply by pressing one of these buttons right away will produce a good quality copy. So let me just demonstrate. I'll extend the paper output and I'll press color for a color copy. So currently it's scanning, and in under 15 seconds you should have the result coming out. Here we go. I just created a copy of whatever was on the scanner glass. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video.